Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to get your Twitch stream key on a PC or laptop. So if you do find this helpful today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So basically a stream key is something, if you use like a third-party application like OBS, for example, you would need a stream key to actually link that to OBS, or if you use a different third-party application. So it is quite important, and not too long ago they actually changed how you can find it. So in order to do this, let's get straight into it. What we're going to do first is open up a new browser and come across to twitch.tv. And you can see I'm already logged into my account here in the top right hand corner. And then from here, it's actually quite simple to find. All you want to do is come to your profile icon. So this little avatar up here in the top right hand corner, and then give that a click. And then from here, you want to come down and click onto settings. And then what you want to do from here, you'll see you've got a couple of options at the top. You've got like a menu bar at the top here. What you're going to want to do is come and click onto channel and videos. And then from here, what you're going to do, if you look to the left hand side, you've got this menu come up, and what you're going to want to do is simply click onto stream. And this is actually by default covered up your primary stream key, just because if you're streaming and you've accidentally got it turned on, people can obviously use that to do things that you might not want them to do. If you do want to see this, you can click the show button down here, which is going to reveal this key. And you can reset if you want to by clicking this button. But to get your key, it's very simple. You just go ahead and click this copy button here. You'll see it's copied. And then from there, whichever application you're using, which is requesting your stream key, you just want to go back to there and paste the stream key where it's being requested. So if you're using OBS, you would simply come across to OBS. And then when it goes and asks you for the stream key, you would just literally copy and paste it into there like so. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.